Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Topic today is calls for subsidies as low income Australians view insurance as a luxury they can no longer afford. Malcolm Bay can keep a lid on his shopping bill by growing his own vegetables. I have still got tomatoes from the last crop in the freezer, so it's really good, he said. Without it, it's just more expenses. But the Tasmanian pensioner feels powerless when it comes to keeping down the cost of his insurance bill. He switched to insurance provider for his home and content policy 3 years ago, but the cost has risen $300 each year since. If this keeps going, I am expecting within 5 years I will be paying over $3,000 a year just for insurance, he said. Key point, there are calls for greater financial support for people on low income struggling with the cost of insurance. Figures from the Australian Bureau of Statistics show insurance has risen 3.4% over the past year. There are concerned people who cannot afford home, contents and car insurance run the risk of becoming further. My brother speaks about the risk of not having insurance. His home was one of the few on the street last standing after specifies rebate through the Tasman Peninsula in 2013. Some people did not have any insurance at all and they were in a lot of strife. The man over the Route 3, he lived in a town for a good few years. I don't know the risk of not having insurance and I will try like hell to keep up paying the premium. But when it comes to insuring his 20 years old car, my brother's bike can only ever third-party cover. The said without the car he is struck describing the public transport near him as unreliable. He is supportive and of calls for insurance to be considered an essential service. With the electricity bill they give us a discount. With the RECO we get a discount, so it's just one other essential. I just think government could be a bit more generous, he said. No insurance means attracting poverty. The cost of insurance has gone up by 3.4% between the June quarter 2021 and June 2022, according to the Australian Bureau of Statistics. Julia Davis from the Financial Legal Rights Center said some of that is about how many claims insurers are paying and how the cost of those claims are going up. The price increase has been even higher in some states. In Tasmania alone, insurance has increased by 5.8% over the last year, and that really put it out of reach for many Tasmanians living on low and medium incomes, said Adrini Picon from the Tasmanian Council of Social Service. A recent report showed that even people living on an income between $50,000 and $99,000 of those who said they were unlikely to take out insurance because the cold do not afford it, she said. A 2021 report by the South Australian Council of Social Service found that up to 1 in the 3 people on low incomes did not have contents insurance. The report warned of the increased risk of natural disaster due to the climate change in Australia. Flood to value expected to push up premiums. 1 million households in Australia already face extreme level of insurance risk and will be the brunt of future premium hikes driven by climate change. Research has warned to the Insurance Council of the Australian said premiums were likely to rise further in following the S codes.